Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's been a while I haven't purchased anything from Coach, and I was at the Coach boutique a week ago, and it does seem to look like they have a lot of stuff on sale. I mean, I think they are spring and summer sale collection, but I know this item, I have been eyeing this item in such a long time, and I think it was the perfect time when I visit to a boutique store and pick this beauty. I mean, wow, the color is absolutely amazing, but there were things that I am not really sure about, but I am pretty sure, I am certain that the color that I picked up, it is exactly what I wanted. So anyway, I got this beauty right here, and wow. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Like I've mentioned, it's been a while that I haven't purchased from Coach, and I think this is a perfect purchase in such a reasonable price. So anyway, they put this one in a dust bag, and let me reveal. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. The color. The green color is actually it's one of my most favorite color right here. Wow, the color, it's definitely perfect for spring and summer. Okay, let me just remove the dust bag right here. Wow, I am so excited for this beauty, guys. So this is a Coach Willow tote in a size 24 right here. So let me show you the side right here. This is the front and the other side as well. Let me give you a 360 view on this beauty right here. Right there. Okay. Right there. And it has a hang tag right here. Okay. Wow. I can get a I still can't get over how beautiful the color is. So this is actually a variation of color. So this is a color block. So that means that as you guys can see right here, the green color, and then this is more of like a dark navy color. So it is a color block. So there's just two colors in here. This one is made up of, right here, the hardware is made up of brass hardware. And upon looking at it, upon checking at it, it's not very shiny at all. So it's a little bit of like a muted brass, which I kind of like. Okay, wow. It's made up of a pebbled leather. As the website says, it is made up of a polished pebbled leather. So polished means that they put a glossy top layer in it. So it looks more shiny, or it looks more luxurious. But right now it does seem to look like the pebbled leather seems to look like it is on. It's a matte finish though. It's not very shiny. Wow, beautiful. So this one came in with a top handle right here, and then it has this turn lock closure in it. The iconic Coach turn lock closure. Let me open this one. Yeah, this is more likely the lock mechanism on this purse itself. Like I mentioned, like I've mentioned earlier, I love the color, but I'm not really sure the lock mechanism on this purse right here. That's because it's more of like it's like wide open though, you know. And I want a little bit of like room and security for my purses, especially if I put in my card holder and other stuff. I know there is a pocket right here in the middle, but it does seem to look like there's not much like room in it. It is more of like an envelope style. I'm not sure if it expands though. Right here, the zipper is so smooth. And we also have right here on the side where the rivets where you could put the shoulder strap. So you could use this. You could wear this as a crossbody, or it could be you just use it on your shoulder, or just use the top handle. Since I am a top handle person, pretty much like I will be using this purse using the handle. Wow. Okay. So anyway, we have two large compartments in here. The other one, the first compartment right here in the front, it has a turn lock closure. Well, I can't pronounce the turn lock closure. I don't even know why I'm having such a hard time pronouncing the turn lock closure. So anyway, so this is the lock right here in the front. We have the envelope style pocket right here in the middle where you could secure your important belongings. And at the back, right here, it has a magnetic closure. You could close this using this magnetic closure right here. And you can also lock this right here in front. But it looks a little tacky though when you locked it. So when you already put something inside, so pretty much this part right here would bulge. You'd see like it's gonna be bulging. So I think if I'm going to wear this, pretty much I'm not gonna lock it. So yeah, and then also on the other side as well right here, it has this magnetic closure, which it seems to look like the magnet is pretty strong. Once again, this has a strap. The strap is actually has the same color with the handle, the navy blue one right here. And another thing that I love about this purse is that it is lined with the leather as well. Wow, it's beautiful. But the middle compartment, it's lined with a fabric. It's more likely a jacquard material. And the front, it's lined with, wow, leather. Absolutely amazing. And then, you know, when I got this for around $170, I think this was originally priced as $295. And it was on sale for 40%. And for that, I paid $170 before tax, and I think it's worth it. The beautiful pebbled leather, and it is lined with the leather inside. I think it's definitely worth it. You know, I think it's even with $295, I would say it would still worth it because of how it's being crafted, like the material that they used. Also, I think it would still be worth it. So anyway, wow. Okay. So yeah, this bag is more likely it's not too big, and it's not too small as well. You know, so I can even say it's a medium size. Also, it's small size. It's between a little bit bigger than a little bit medium size. I would say in between the medium and small. That's how I describe the size on this. So I mean the width, it's around, I think it's 9.5 inches. So yeah, it is so cute. This one has glazed right here, and also the stitching is actually tonal stitching. Wow. And also with the blue, the navy blue, the stitching is blue as well. I believe that the color combination between the navy and the green color is stunning. with the brass hardware. I think it's perfect though. So let's take a look at the bottom part of the bag. Okay, this one has a 4 protective feet. And that is actually a pros on this bag right here. So, I mean, I love purses that has feet to protect the leather, and this one has it. Wow, that what makes it even more stunning right here. So it seems like the feet is a little bit elevated. I have already checked that one because sometimes like when you have a purse and it has a feet, and this part right here in the side, it would still touch the surface. But for this one, I think it's perfect. So it's a little bit elevated that when you lay your purse right here on the table or any surface, it would also help protect the leather. So that is just mainly the main use of the protective feet. It's just to protect the leather, and also when you know, the bag, when you lay the purse right there, it just stood just like that. You know, so the purse would just stand on its own. So it gives a little bit of a structure of the bag though. So this is the side right here, and on top of that, this one is made up of leather, and also the interior is leather. It is lightweight. You know, sometimes the downside of the purse, if it's made up of full leather, the interior and exterior, you know, it has weight. So it tends to get a little bit heavy though, even if you carry little things. But for this one, it is lightweight, and that's what I love about it. So for the Willow tote, I believe this is the smaller size. I'm not even 100% sure if this one came in with the larger size, but I know it says it's 24. I think it says they are referring to 24 centimeter, if I'm not mistaken. And this one came in a lot of different colors. They have black with the brass hardware. They have chalk. They have like the multicolor, bubble gum, purple, blue color. And out of all the colors that they have, I think this one is one of the most beautiful colors. I mean, they also have more of like a yellow color, more of like, I'm not 100% sure, but you could check the website though. The sale is still going on in store and online as well. So at the store, you could check all the colors that they have available. But on the website, I know there is a lot of colors on the website. But even though they are showing a lot of colors, but still not all of them are on sale. But I'm pretty sure this color and the yellow color are on sale though. So yeah, you might wanna check the one out, because I'm not just gonna give you like information like, oh, this one is on sale, but it depends on the color. But I'm 100% sure that this one is 40% off. Wow, this one is absolutely stunning. It's just like, I mean, the only cons that I can say right now, I haven't really used the bag, is just this one right here. I mean, I'm not a fan of it. And the magnetic closure, it's alright. I'm not too crazy about it, but I love the interior, that it was lined with the leather, with the grain leather inside. And also, as you guys can see right here, the patch screen is actually made up of this contrasting color right there with the brown leather in it. And so far, this one has glazing all around it. But with my Coach purse, I have never had any issues with the glazing. So the glazing, with my experience, yeah, they hold up like beautifully in time. Yeah. So like right now, it was perfectly done and it was intact. So yeah, the edge paint right there. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about the shape of the bag. I mean, I am just so in love with the color. And I'm happy that this one is actually made up of a pebbled leather. Even though that the color is a little bit lighter, sometimes if you have a purse it's made up of pebbled leather, it doesn't mean that it's pebbled. It's not going to show some scratches. It would still show some scratches. That's because of the color itself. But if you got the black color, obviously you're not going to be able to see those fine scratches. But with the lighter color, with the pebbled leather, it would still show some scratches. But overall, I am very happy with this purchase. It is a perfect spring and summer purse. Wow. Yeah, so guys, go and check the website. I mean, I'm not sure if they have an additional discounts for Memorial Day. I know this one is already 40% off. I think they have a lot more styles that went on sale for the Memorial weekend. So you might want to check the one out. So anyway, this is my beautiful Coach Willow tote bag. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.